guys, and welcome to my channel, Unicorn Toy Creation. And in this video, we are back with another book review. And you guys might be thinking, why I'm not doing DIYs or fun challenges, and I'm doing this book reviews more because, guys, my book review, my latest book review. If you have not seen, I will link the link in the description. And so that also I did a book review, and that was quite famous. And so today I'm back with another book review, and you guys might be thinking which book. And it's a kind of an interesting book, but it's meant for kids. So this is a very interesting book, you should totally get it. So let's I'm going to reveal the book in few seconds. So let's see what is it. This is the book. This name is So You Want to Know About Economics, and this is a book based on economics. Like, they will brief you on economics, and this is for kids. So this is written by Rupa Pai, and this is quite like, I've read it and it was like so good. But you need an adult to like teach you this basically, so just to help you out through this book, because it's a little difficult kind of a book, like you have to really understand it. So this is what I rate this book. I rate this book 5 on 4, I think. Yeah, so 5 on 5 stars I rate this book 4, because it was a little too difficult. So now I am going to read what like Rajan wrote on here. Like, he has read this book, and he has just told that like what this book is, like how he feels. So he has wrote, the short, well written book is a quick and irrelevant introduction to economics. And who people don't know who is Raghuram Rajan. He was a former RBI chief. So so inside also it's written that who is Raghuram Rajan. So you can totally do it. And like, this is a very good book. This everything they brief you, like everything from where economics started and all those things. So I hope you guys find this video very interesting. So now let's continue. So in this, though this book is illustrated by Mohit Saneja, and this is published by Rupa Publications India, PBT LTD 2017. This is, yeah, so that is written, and now I'm going to tell you the contents which is written here. Contents are introduction, the world before economics, which I was telling, that from where economics started and what was it before economics. What countries think about when they think about economics, aka macroeconomics, means like big economics. So now let's go to the next content. What you and I think about when we think about economics, aka microeconomics. And that microeconomics means like the family economics. Like, if we go for grocery shopping, or like how much money we will spend on that, that is microeconomics. And macroeconomics is businesses and all those things, that is separate. So now let's comes to epilogue and acknowledgements. So a lot of things are there, and you will like get to know a lot from this, because seriously you will get to know a lot, like of how was the world before economics and so much. So guys, in the back, as you can see here, it is written Raghuram Rajan, comma, former governor, comma, Reserve Bank of India. Reserve Bank of India means everybody knows RBI. So he has written something in back also. So let me read that. If you never had the time to plow through dairy economics textbooks, but still want a flavor of its key concepts illustrated with some examples from daily life. This book is for you. So this book is awesome, like awesome. As you can see from the this page, only is for kids, or like economists can also read. This is for everyone because I'm a kid and I don't like I saw like I read this book and it was like very good. So in this page they just tell you that like from where they started trading. So they started trading in like get the stick and I will give you stones. So it was like that first, this picture, when the the civilization was not there. Then 10,000 years later, they started to like uh, yeah. So they used to like one person used to sell a goat and this next person used to give him wheat exchange for that. And then after 3,500 years of that, they started like we started selling in uh, covery shells with shells we started. And then 2,500 years later, after we started like trading in shells, proper metal coins here, proper metal coins, and these were the shells and this were the these ones. So proper metal shells in India, China, Lydia. So what's the emperor look like? So now after 3,000 years in China, they started trading in copper and covery shells. So now let's come to 2,000 years after. Pretty cool. Now if we could make the same thing using papers or somewhere. So we started up like trading with like notes which we use nowadays also. So paper money, after that it like spread in all the countries because when it started in China only it started. So after, so now 1958 plastic money started, which is credit card and debit card. And nowadays, like now the century, we like we order online, like online is the trading place. So I hope you like this video. Give it a big thumbs up for more video like this. I briefed you all about this book. Surely get this book. I will link the description, like I will link the link of Amazon buying in the description. And I hope you find this video interesting. You should totally watch this because I have told you some things about economic also. So and now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna tell you one thing. Don't forget to watch my video on May 2nd. It's about cool, like a very good DIY. So don't forget to watch that. And reach this video to 5 likes for more videos like this. Bye bye guys. I will meet you in the next video.